Take you water. Ah. Take you a drink of water. You're not going nowhere, man. This nigga text squirt me, bro. Oh. You almost lost your life over that one. Buddy.
Oh no! Okay!
Y'all too dang cute.
Luke, now what? Don't get me all wet. Listen,
Oh, Coffee.
So if I'm dual wielding, my man.
Luke, now what?
Check out this shot.
Oh. Luke, coffee. Coffee.
Coffee.
Luke,
Coffee.
coffee.
That hurts a lot more than this does, I'm telling you.
Oh, man.
Did you take an arm shot? Friendly fire?
Oh.
Yep, look at you now. Shoot your ass.
He listens, baby.
Hey, Luke, look. Come clean up this coffee right here.
Coffee on my foot.
You spilled coffee on
Good.
your foot, man.
Yeah, you did.
Well, I'm supposed to slow up a notch.
How?
I said coffee,
You
coffee.
shoots me.
And then
Come
he
here.
said,
He's not going to shoot you. Yeah.
Then twap right in the back.
Okay, go grab you a paper towel. See the coffee right there? See the cleaner right there?
Do that on that space.
Y'all want me to make eggs this morning?
you know, you may as well.
I asked that wrong. Do y'all want eggs this morning?
Oh, yeah.
Make me some too, please.
Yeah.
Lucas said shit.
No.
Smarty pants.
Bacon and eggs? You got bacon? You want to go get bacon?
Yeah.
You make bacon?
Yeah.
Luke, you like bacon or sausage?
Bacon.
And a can of biscuits would be good too.
Where's the Walmart's down there? I'll go to Walmart.
Okay.
I'm gonna go right now. I'm starving.
Awesome.
Luke, you wanna go with me to the store or
Where's
you gonna hang
the-
out? Huh? Yeah. Good. I want to go out myself anyway.
Oh. Good
Whatever
job.
he doesn't want to do.
Say what? I'll shoot you right in the fucking eye, man.
Okay, I'm gonna be your hostage now.
Grands, Pillsbury Grands, those big
Yes,
ones?
that's what we
No,
love.
really, Mom. Look, you spilled coffee like right here on me.
Sweet.
You
Yeah.
spilled coffee on you.
Yeah, you spilt it.
Rotten.
Rotten.
We blaming everybody. Don't be blaming Grandpa for that shit. He was talking smack when you guys went outside.
Was he?
I had him in a headlock and he said, we were talking about fighting. He was saying, well, if a guy comes at me, I'm going to jump back. I said, no, you don't jump back. You duck like this, and when his arm's coming at you, you sock him in the mouth.
Yeah.
Don't
And
back
then,
up.
And then he said,
See, watch. Just stand there. I'm not going to hit you. You're going to punch me, right? Now your chin's open. Bam! Bam! See? Remember that shit. Ask my little brother. He'll teach you all kinds of boxing lessons.
what does a horse say when he bites corn or something?
Oh, you're making fun of me over that, too.
Yeah.
And he goes, well, Grandpa.
And then he
says,
tried to grab my
Grandpa,
leg and I was like, Grandpa. I ran off into
into the horizon.
How funny.
Old smarty pants there.
Yeah, and during that game, he was calling him Grandpa.
Until I ran over his fucking ass with that four-wheeler. He didn't want to slow up because he didn't want to lose. He got ahead of me because he didn't tell me where fucking started. I was waiting for him to come around because I was going to ram him off the track the whole way. But he said, no, you better keep going or I won't get no points. He still won. He still won.
No, he's aiming the gun at your back.
Oh.
Luke, I thought you weren't going with me. Are you going with me or not? Get your shoe all the way on.
I will. Oh, no.
He needs
That dark one over here because I felt it.
Pretty sure, no. Non-stop Beethoven.
Yeah, there it is.
No, you don't.
Ow!
Watched him in the leg.
Not exactly where I was thinking. Shoot that nigga. Shoot that nigga in his face, knock his nose off.
All right, we're going to the store.
Okay,
Biscuits
baby.
And bacon and what? And butter.
Butter, real
Salted butter.
butter.
Land O'Lakes salted butter.
Maybe some orange juice.
You want orange juice too?
Yeah.
Come on, Nuke.
Do you mind picking up water too? Water bottles?
Yeah, I'll get it. Come on.
Thank you, baby. Love y'all.
See you guys in a little bit.
Okay.
What's nice out there?
Beautiful out there.
Oh, God. Oh, okay. I thought I jammed it up again. Check this out.
Oh.
Shoot a nigga.